Energy is everywhere. However, students may not recognize the types of energy present in everyday objects or scenarios. Whenever we move, whenever we hear something, that's energy being used. How else do we use energy in our everyday lives? Welcome to Split-Second Science. In this quick science video, you will explore the uses of energy, including mechanical, electrical, light, thermal, and sound energy. There are two HISD science best practices that can be implemented when teaching usage of energy: 3D to 2D transfer and Realia. Realia allows students to manipulate the objects being explored, make connections between the concrete objects and abstract concepts, and use physical or concrete objects to connect the academic language of the discipline. For this activity, the Realia we will be using is a bicycle. We will explore the uses of energy by investigating parts of a bicycle. Remember that energy can occur in many forms and can be observed in systems, patterns, and cycles. What can students learn about the types of energy that are being applied on a bicycle? The wheels on the bike move around as someone is pedaling the bicycle. Because of that particular movement, it is giving off mechanical energy. The wheels move around and around due to the energy that is exerted onto the pedals. This makes the wheels give off mechanical energy. A reflector on a bike, however, is a little tricky for students. To clear up any misconceptions about a reflector, explain to students that a reflector actually captures light, but cannot emit its own actual light. Due to the reflector reflecting light from a luminous object, like our sun, or lights from a car's headlights at night, a reflector is categorized as having light energy. Another example is like the moon giving off light from the sun, shining on us at night. These are both considered light energy. While 3D experiences are essential for conceptual understanding of science concepts, it is equally important that you plan how these experiences can be transferred to student mastery onto the 2D outputs. 3D to 2D involves students participating fully in learning experiences, reflecting on their own understanding throughout the lesson, and transferring conceptual lessons from hands-on to paper and pencil assignments. Students can create 2D outputs, such as entries in an interactive notebook, or as exit tickets. Let's recap what we've learned. We reviewed two of HISD's science best practices, 3D to 2D transfer and Realia. By using a real-life object, we explored the uses of energy in everyday life and discovered that different forms of energy have different functions. We learned that both 3D to 2D transfer and Realia support a deeper understanding of the science content while also enhancing academic vocabulary. And we addressed the fact that students fail to identify the types of energy present in everyday objects or scenarios. Thanks for watching! Be sure to check out the other segments of Split-Second Science.